What I wish I knew about wheel alignment before those costly tire replacements. Laser wheel alignment is a game changer for your car's performance and safety. At Nexar Auto Repair, we use cutting-edge laser technology to ensure your wheels are perfectly aligned. This means smoother rides, better fuel efficiency, and longer tire life. Our skilled technicians know their stuff, handling all makes and models with precision. Misaligned wheels can cause uneven tire wear and poor gas mileage. With us, you save money by avoiding premature tire replacements and get better fuel efficiency. Plus, your car will handle like a dream, making every drive in Katy safer and more comfortable. And guess what? We do it quickly, efficiently, and at prices that won't break the bank. Nexar Auto Repair is your trusted local shop, dedicated to top-notch service and community satisfaction. For the best laser wheel alignment in Katy, visit us at 2208 Fry RD or call 713-782-9111. Drive safe and save with Nexar.